better place to learn how to cook than Northwest Culinary Academy. I'm with Chef Alana Peckham from Alligga. You're a teacher here.
I am.
And how are you liking that?
It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun, right?
It's a lot of fun, yeah.
So what are we gonna do today that's healthy cooking?
Well, to celebrate the month of March, we are going to do an all green themed menu, if you will.
I mean, like a leprechaun menu? Is that
That's
what you're
right,
trying to say?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you know, St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
And we're really gonna focus around a sauce. It's a traditional sauce called the Green Goddess dressing.
My favorite, actually.
I've taken my spin on it to make it a little bit healthier.
Okay.
And we are gonna pair it with an all green vegetable platter.
Okay.
And some pan-seared wild snapper.
Now we talk about dieting, and again, I'm still on this relatively low carb diet. I know that bright, colorful vegetables are really good for you,
Yes.
but they're also higher in sugar. So if you are on a reduced carbohydrate, low glycemic diet, green is your friend. You can go crazy with the green vegetables.
What a friendly plate.
Right? Let's do this.
And so traditionally it's made with mayonnaise and sour cream.
Yes.
I'm keeping the sour cream in. It's up to you how much fat you want in your sour cream. And sorry, I'm just gonna turn this on.
Sure.
To pre-warm up for our fish. And I've replaced that mayonnaise with a healthy fat avocado.
Oh, that's super smart, actually.
Yeah, and then that way it still pairs with that theme of green goddess, because
Yes.
avocados are green, but much healthier than mayonnaise.
Avocados are so incredibly good for you, and what I like about them is that they keep you full for an extended period of time.
They do, yeah, it's that healthy fat in it. And so in with our sour cream, we're gonna add about half an avocado.
Perfect. So garlic, avocado,
Yeah.
sour cream.
Sour cream, pinch of salt.
Yes,
We're gonna go with a fillet of anchovy
love it.
and some lemon juice.
Again, here we are with the anchovies. People get afraid of having fish because what about the mercury content? The smaller the fish, if you eat fish the size of this pan, the chances of you being contaminated with a high amount of mercury is not gonna happen.
Lower.
Anchovies are incredibly healthy for you.
Oh, and healthy fat, exactly. So we'll do a little bit of lemon there. I am gonna add a bit of the Alligga flax oil into it. There we go.
I don't know if it's me having a hot flash or if it's just the
Could
oven
be
in
the
front of me.
pan. Oops, sorry, the most important part of Green Goddess dressing, the fresh herbs.
Now, which herbs are you using?
We've got some dill, tarragon, mint,
Yes,
and parsley.
beautiful.
So that all goes in here.
And from these leaves and the stems, you're getting amazing, incredible benefits from them as well.
That's right, and for me, amazing flavor.
Yes, that's all she cares about.
That's all I care about here. So depending on how thick or thin you like your dressing, you could add a touch of water to this.
Okay.
I'm okay with that myself. I do like a thicker dressing, but a little touch. Sorry.
She's being very particular and picky at this point.
I'm in school.
Yes.
And so if that pan feels hot enough to
It does.
perfect. Just gonna pop that back on. And there we go. Much
Voila.
better consistency.
So you're salting it a bit.
Salting
adding-
the fish a little bit. We're gonna add a bit of the flax oil because it is a high smoke point cookable flax oil.
What's the smoke point on this particular oil?
482 Fahrenheit.
Which, a lot of oils, too high temperature, you burn it.
Exactly.
It becomes carcinogenic in some cases.
So here we go.
Now, do you like cooking with this type of pan?
I like the black steel pan. It's you have to season them.
Yes.
But once you season them, they become non-stick. They're natural, and they conduct heat really quickly. The only downside, though, is as quickly as it conducts heat, it will also lose its heat.
Sure.
Yeah. And so we'll let that go and get a bit of color. Meanwhile,
I'm standing far back with my new wardrobe from Mallory's.
and just to show you the versatility of this dressing, we're gonna put some in here, and that becomes our dip for our veggies. So with
Beautiful.
the avocado, now you're dipping veggies in, I guess, a fruit,
Yeah,
and then we're gonna serve the fish with it as well. And
amazing.
so that can become our sauce. And
How long does this have to cook? Like a minute and a half on each side?
roughly.
Okay.
Yeah, I am actually going to give it a flip here very soon. The thin piece here looks like it's ready to go.
Sorry, again, this is which kind of fish?
It's a wild snapper.
So beautiful.
So we'll flip that one there. And then this is the not so healthy part of it, but a little
She
bit
can't
of
resist, right?
I can't resist.
She just can't resist.
Little
You
bit of
really
butter.
are on a strict diet. Skip the little piece of butter, but you know that amount of butter It's so minimal.
It's so minimal. I've turned the heat off now, and we're gonna let that butter coat it. I'm gonna flip it over so that it can baste a little bit in that butter.
Beautiful. And don't be afraid with the amount of flaxseed oil that you're using to cook in this. I mean, we've used cups and cups
We have.
in various recipes before.
That's right. And then just a little finish of lemon juice.
Amazing. If you want this recipe or more from Chef Alana Peckham, and again, thanks to Northwest for letting us use their beautiful facility, go on to Alligga's website and we have all the information there. Chef Alana Peckham, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this like leprechaun bait? Is that what it is?
It really is, you know, a little
Ketchup
snack
leprechaun.
of a hot fish and then bright green platter of veggies.
Perfect. Thanks, Chef.
You're welcome.